Hello, I'm Rachel. Hire me today to showcase your products and services on your video ads and video reels, video shorts, and social media stories. I will engage your target audience with visual information about your business. I have many different voices and moving graphic backgrounds we can use to talk about your business to your target audience. You need to grab attention in the first seconds, and talking animation drives traffic. Talking walking action-based character animation is a working smart marketing tool. Visit our website and hire me today to engage customers and drive quality traffic to your business. I can walk, talk, dance, drive a car, a scooter, and even jump and kick. I have different outfits and hairstyles too. Hire me to showcase your product or service and start working smart online with engaging talking walking animated characters like me. This is a fabulous way to get traffic and attention from your video ads and video reels. We have a special end of summer sale. Now let's get animated today. Head over to our website and get started and hire me to showcase your products or services on social media.